Learning to create abstract art has never been more easy or fun to do with the 20-minute Studio Abstract Art Set by Faber-Castell Creative Studio. This set includes 2 gelatos, whipped spackle, a gel pen, pigment powder mix-ins, 4 illustration boards, a texture card, spatula, and a paintbrush. The easy-to-follow design guide shows you how to use gelatos, mix colors, and tint your whipped spackle, as well as create texture and movement in your art pieces. To create a piece of artwork using this kit, start by applying large and small dots of gelatos directly to the illustration board. Then use a wet paintbrush to spread the color around and let it dry. Use a spatula to put some whipped spackle onto your protected surface. Next, add some pigment powder. A little bit goes a long way. Then mix it well. Smear the tinted whipped spackle onto your project with the texture card. Add the mixture to a couple of places and use the card to create different textures. When you're finished, let it dry. Finally, spread some of the gel paint on your project for extra shimmer. Use the card again to create unique textures. You can finish off the piece of artwork by adding designs like dots and lines. Explore mixing colors, textures, and mediums with the 20-minute Studio Abstract Art Set by Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find gelatos in 80 colors, including opaque, translucent, metallic, and iridescent in the art aisle of your local arts and crafts retailer.